Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to match in OkCupid. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to match with someone, first of all, you need to make sure that you have set up your profile properly. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner, tap on it. At the top you can see your profile name. You can see the pencil icon, you can tap on it. The first thing you need to do is, you need to add more pictures of yourself. Here you can see the edit photos option, tap on it. Here you can add more pictures of yourself. It will help you to get more matches. After that, if you scroll down you can see the details section over here. Tap on this edit icon. You can update all of your informations over here. Here you can see the About Me section. You can give a brief description about yourself over here. You can update your aspirations. In this talent section, you can mention about your talents. In this way, you can fill out all these informations. This will increase the chances of getting matches. So after you update your profile completely, you can go back to the Discover section. Here you can right swipe the people who you want to match with. If they like you back, you will have a match with them. So that's it. That's how you can get matches on OkCupid app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.